Hey everybody, welcome to Chris Cooks, sharing some very exciting recipes today. These are recipes that have inspired our new collaboration with Poppy and Pout and the flavor of lip balms that we have chosen. Today I am going to make blackberry campfire s'mores. This one is very, very easy, and to keep it campfire, even though I'm doing it in my house, this travels well. A little bit of prep ahead of time, and there's also some shortcuts that I'll let you know about. Let's get to it. We're gonna start by making my blackberry refrigerator jam. It has no pectins, no gums, no starches, no fillers. It's blackberries, water, and honey. That's about it. 2 cups of water here, and then I've got, I would say, 2 cups of blackberries that we're gonna start with. We're gonna boil those, reduce it down, and then we'll strain out the seeds, add honey to it, and then we'll add more blackberries. If you just go with all blackberries, it's way too seedy and like too many seeds, and it's not pleasant. So doing it this way, you get a really great texture and fewer seeds. It's just a much more pleasant experience. If you don't want to go this extra, you can just buy blackberry jam from the store. I think. Once these have simmered for a bit and softened, just take the back of a wooden spoon and press them a bit. Get them to open up a little bit more, and that will speed up the process of those breaking down. Blackberries are broken down. Pass them through a fine mesh strainer. Use the back of a ladle or a spoon or something to just kind of work that around and press all the juice out of the pulp on the top. You want the pulp on top to be mostly, it's not going to be dry, but you want it to be more paste-like for sure. This juice back into the pot. To this, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup, 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. Blackberries are sweet, so you don't need to use a ton. This is reduced down quite a bit. Nice texture, but it's not syrupy yet. That's what we want. Just before that point, add in another 2 cups of blackberries. And again, the reason for this 2-stage approach is to reduce the amount of seeds that we have in there, but we do need some of that pulp and some of the seeds to give us a good texture. Otherwise, it's just going to kind of be runny at the end. So that's why this works so well. Take the time, it'll pay off. This will reduce down a little bit more. I want those blackberries to break down again, just like they did the first time with the first round. Once it hits that, kind of jam-like consistency, take it out in a jar. It's going to go in the fridge, and you want to chill it at least overnight, I would say. I've got that fresh batch in the fridge. It's going to chill overnight, but I made some last night so we can have a s'more right now. We're just going to do this inside over the burner. Again, I know this is not a campfire, and these are campfire s'mores, but you get the idea. We toast. The secret to a well-toasted marshmallow is distance. Keep it up high. You're wanting to warm it through first, and then you toast the outside. If you're down here, that thing's catching fire, and the inside's gonna be hard. So just take your time, up nice and high. You will be rewarded. Not all s'mores are created equal. Look at this, it's already, you can tell, it's like shifting around. It's all gooey inside. I like to go for a dark chocolate. 85 is my preference. I would go for at least a 70. Down on top, just like so, with our blackberry jam that we've made. This is far more than an ordinary s'more. Ooh, baby. Do you see this business right here? Look how good that looks. You give it just a, just a few seconds, 30, 60 seconds, because the chocolate underneath there is going to start melting and getting soft. And I can't wait any longer. Let's get into this. Oh my gosh. Yo, that's messy and so good. That's it. That's the one. I can't tell you, like, I can't explain fully what that blackberry sauce does to a s'more. It's magic. It's magic. You're gonna love it. Let me know what you think if you've ever done something like this. If you have your own favorite s'mores combination, would love to hear about that down in the captions. Also a link to the full recipe for this jam and my combo, chocolate that I use, all that stuff down in the caption as well. Share these with somebody that you care about. Oof. Yeah.